Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today we will solve numerical number 9 to 13. Numerical number 9, a proton placed in a uniform electric field of 5000 Newton per coulomb directed to right is allowed to go a distance of 10 centimeter from A to B. Calculate potential difference between the 2 points. The given terms uniform electric field represented by E, its value is given here. Distance travelled delta R 10 centimeter to convert it into meter. And over the required terms, first calculate potential difference. So to calculate potential difference, the formula is, this is the formula of potential gradient. Delta V is equal to minus E delta R. Value of E and delta R given here. By putting values, you can easily calculate potential difference. Second required term is work done. To calculate work done, formula is W is equal to Q delta V. Q is given here 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Learn this value of Q. Okay, this is the value of charge, that is an electron. Right? While delta V is the potential difference you have calculated in first part, in A part. By putting values, you can easily calculate work done in electron volt. As we have discussed in last lecture, work done value is in joule. To convert it into electron volt, divide the answer, that is in joule, by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. To calculate change in potential energy, delta U is equal to, change in potential energy is in the form of work done. Delta U is equal to minus Q delta V. Put the values of Q and delta V. You can calculate delta U. Negative sign shows that the potential energy decreases because proton is moving along E. Kinetic energy in the form of work done. Kinetic energy is equal to Q delta V. You have learned the formula. Delta U is also equal to Q delta V. The kinetic energy is also equal to Q delta V. Only difference is sign difference here is. In case of potential energy, negative sign, as potential energy decreases when the proton is moving, while kinetic energy increases as the proton is moving, so that's why there is plus sign. Okay, to calculate V, velocity of the proton, use this kinetic energy basic formula. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. So by putting values, you can easily calculate velocity. Numerical number 12.10, using zero reference point at infinity, determine the amount by which a point charge 4.0 into 10 to the minus 8 coulomb alters the electric potential at a point 1.2 meter away when charge is positive and when charge is negative. Point charge value is given here and distance R is given here. This is our given data and we have to calculate V1 and V2. To calculate V1, put the value 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q over R. Value of Q is given to you, value of R is given to you. By putting values, you can easily calculate V1. Now to calculate V2, electric potential when the charge is negative. In place of Q, write here minus Q and same method. Electric potential when charge is positive is 3 into 10 raised per 2 volt. While the electric potential when charge is negative, this one, minus 3.0 into 10 raised per 2 volt. Same answer, just there is difference of only sign. Negative sign, positive sign. Numerical number 12.11. In Bohr's atomic model of hydrogen atom, the electron in an orbit around the nucleus of proton at a distance of 5.29 into 10 raised to power minus 11 meter, with the speed is given here 2.18 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second. Value of E is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Mass of electron is given here. Find the electric potential that a proton exerts at this distance and total energy of the atom electron volt, the ionization energy for the atom in electron volt. Okay, So given things, distance r is given here, speed of electron is given in data, charge on electron is given, mass of electron is given here. We have to find electric potential V, total energy of atom in electron volt, and ionization energy for the atom in electron volt. So now to calculate first electric potential formula, V is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught Q or R. You have value of Q and R by putting values. This is simple calculation. You can this is your required answer of electric potential. Second one is B part is total energy of the atom in electron volt. To calculate total energy of the atom, that is En, total energy, potential energy plus kinetic energy. Okay, so first of all calculate potential energy. Potential energy delta U is equal to minus QV. You have value of Q and V. By putting values, potential energy is minus 27.27 electron volt. While kinetic energy is calculated by basic formula half mv square, you have value of m, mass, and V you have calculated. Kinetic energy you easily calculate 13.51 electron volt. Okay, in electron volt. This is value of kinetic energy in joule, and now it is value of energy in electron volt. So putting equation 1 En is equal to, now putting both values of kinetic energy and potential energy in total energy formula in this. So total energy is minus 13.75 electron volt. For ionization energy of the electron, ionization energy formula is energy of electron at outermost orbit in outermost shell, and minus energy of electron at ground state. And always remember, energy of electron at outermost orbit is infinity. Okay, that is written here 0. While at ground state it is minus 13.75 electron volt. So ionization energy is minus 13.75 electron volt. Minus minus becomes positive. So these are your required results. In numerical number 12.12, read the data carefully. The electronic flash attachment for a camera contains a capacitor for storing the energy used to produce the flash. In one such unit, the potential difference between the plate of a 75 microfarad capacitor is 330 volt. Determine the energy that is used to produce the flash. The given terms in the data is potential difference and capacitance of the capacitor, and we have to calculate energy to produce the flash E. We have learned this formula E is equal to half CV square. Okay, capacitance and voltage values given here, potential difference value. By putting values, you can easily calculate energy to produce flash, that is 40.83 joule. Last numerical of the chapter is a capacitor has capacitance 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 8 farad. In the charging process, electrons are removed from one plate and placed on the other plate when potential difference between them is 450 volt. How many electrons have been transferred? Number of electron, and we have to calculate. Q is equal to NE, N is equal to Q or E, right? And we know Q is equal to CV. So first calculate Q by using this formula. Now you have calculated Q. Now put the value of Q in this equation, equation number 1. So these are the number of electrons that are transferred. Okay, 7.03 into 10 raised to 13. It has no unit because they are number of electrons. Your homework is girls. Now do practice of complete numericals, numerical number 1 to 13. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.